Can you imagine a universe so massive that our entire solar system would be the size of a coin? Or a cosmos with over 100 billion galaxies, each containing billions of stars, spread across a diameter of 93 billion light-years? Mind-blowing, right? In this video, we'll explore the true scale and vastness of our awe-inspiring universe, from the tiniest subatomic particles to the farthest reaches of space. Buckle up, because this journey through the dimensions of our cosmos will absolutely blow your mind. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel for more content exploring the mysteries and wonders of our incredible universe. At the smallest level, our entire universe is built from a few basic building blocks of matter. Quarks combine to form protons and neutrons. Add some electrons and you've got atoms, the basic units that make up chemical elements. Atoms bond together to create molecules, like the DNA molecules that carry genetic code, or the water molecules you drink every day. Already at the atomic scale, things get weird. The rules of quantum mechanics take over, where particles can act as waves and seemingly be in two places at once. This tiny quantum realm shapes the larger physical world in mysterious ways. Zooming out, atoms combine to form cells, the basic units of life. Your body has trillions of cells working in perfect harmony. Cells make up tissues and organs, which make up you, a singular human being. Yet we are tiny compared to the planet Earth, with its vast oceans, soaring mountains, and dense forests teeming with life. Over 7 billion human lives represent just a speck on Earth's surface, but Earth itself is a pale blue dot drifting through space. From orbit, an astronaut sees our whole planet reduced to a tiny sphere. Earth seems large to us, but it's just one small world among many revolving around an ordinary star, our Sun. When you consider the intricate complexity that emerges from the quantum scale, and how tiny even our planet is in the grand scheme, it makes you realize just how limited the human perspective can be. Preparing to voyage through the cosmos will dramatically expand our viewpoint. Our solar system consists of the Sun at the center, surrounded by planets, dwarf planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and more. The Sun contains 99.8% of the solar system's mass, and its gravity controls everything. The four small rocky inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The four outer planets are the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, and the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. Dwarf planets like Pluto inhabit the icy Kuiper belt past Neptune. The distances within our solar system are hard to fathom. Light from the Sun, traveling at 186,000 miles per second, takes over 8 minutes to reach Earth. Beamed toward the outer edges of the system, it takes well over 5 hours just to reach Pluto. Driving a car at 75 miles per hour, it would take 900 years to reach Pluto. The planets all orbit the Sun at different speeds based on their distance and mass. Inner planets scream around their orbits while distant Neptune moseys along slowly. Their motions are delicately balanced by gravity and inertia. What defines the edges of our solar system? The Sun's gravity dominates out to about 2 light-years. The hypothetical Oort cloud may extend nearly a light-year from the Sun, marking the spherical boundary. This entire massive system is just a tiny part of the much larger Milky Way galaxy with over 200 billion stars. Our solar system may seem huge, but the nearest stars are light-years away. The 3 stars of Alpha Centauri are 4.3 light-years from us. Our Milky Way galaxy has over 200 billion stars with billions of planets. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy with several main arms spinning out from a central bar and bulge packed with stars. Our Sun lies around 26,000 light-years from the galactic center in one of the outer spiral arms. Andromeda, our nearest large galactic neighbor, is 2.5 million light-years from us. It's over twice as big as the Milky Way with around 1 trillion stars. Together with the Triangulum galaxy, the Milky Way and Andromeda form the local group of 54 gravitationally bound galaxies. Beyond our local group, the Virgo supercluster contains hundreds of galaxy groups and clusters across a diameter of 33 million light-years. Amazingly, the observable universe contains somewhere between 100 to 200 billion galaxies swirling through deep space. Our view of the universe is limited by the cosmic horizon, the boundary beyond which light has not had time to reach us since the Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago. As light from distant galaxies travels across an expanding universe, it gets stretched to longer wavelengths, a phenomenon known as redshift. By measuring redshift, a astronomers can map how far away and how fast galaxies are moving. The famous Hubble Deep Field images revealed thousands of ancient galaxies in a tiny patch of seemingly blank sky, showing just how large the observable universe really is. The latest space telescopes continue to uncover more galaxies at the cosmic horizon, their light traveling for nearly the entire age of the universe to reach us. Based on these observations, astronomers estimate the diameter of the observable universe to be a staggering 93 billion light-years. This is much larger than the age of the universe multiplied by the speed of light due to the ongoing expansion of space. To imagine a sphere of 93 billion light-years, if the Milky Way galaxy were the size of a coin, this sphere would have a diameter of over 68 billion kilometers, more than big enough to swallow our entire solar system. It's an incomprehensible scale, yet the observable universe, as immense as it is, only represents a tiny fraction of the entire cosmos. Since we can only see as far back as the first light emitted after the Big Bang, we have no idea what lies beyond that cosmic horizon. Entire realms fully separated from ours may exist, forever unknown and unknowable to us. Our little blue planet orbits a modest star on the outskirts of an average galaxy somewhere in the vast observable universe. But even the unimaginably giant sphere of all that we can see and detect only scratches the surface of the full mind-boggling scale of the cosmos. Not only is the observable universe incredibly large, but space itself is expanding at an accelerating rate. Distant galaxies are moving away from us faster and faster due to the mysterious repulsive force of dark energy. This ongoing expansion means the true full size of the universe is much larger than the observable sphere. Some theoretical models suggest our universe may be 250 times greater, for a diameter of 23 trillion light-years. Other theories allow for an infinite universe that has no bounds at all. An infinite universe could theoretically contain infinite alternate realities and timelines, though we have no evidence for this. The full scale of reality remains unknown and unknowable. The accelerating expansion also has implications for the ultimate fate of the universe. Hundreds of billions of years from now, the force of dark energy may become so strong that it rips galaxies, stars, and perhaps even the fundamental particles of matter apart in a hypothetical Big Rip scenario. Before that, accelerating expansion will push all distant galaxies beyond the reach of our observation. The night sky will go dark around 100 trillion years from now as more and more galaxies speed beyond the cosmic horizon, leaving our Milky Way essentially alone and isolated. The staggering magnitude of such timescales and possibilities highlights how little we currently grasp about the full scale of reality. Our cosmic horizons blind us to the vastness surrounding us in all directions. We float in an island oasis of perception, seeking to understand our place within the unfathomable totality of existence. And there you have it, a tour through the dizzying scales of our universe, from the quantum to the cosmic. Let us know your mind-blowing realizations from our tour of the universe's expansive scales. How does understanding this vastness make you reflect on life's meaning? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Specticosmos for more mind-expanding explorations. Until next time, keep questioning and stay curious about our awe-inspiring cosmic reality.